is my grandma's car. You know what I'm saying? Come on over here. This is my granddad's car. You know, he doesn't drive it, but he has it sitting. You know what I'm saying? It's my daughter's mama car. You know what I'm saying? Push present, you know? And here we have my shit. Come on. I don't got necessary towels. He told me I'm done, finished. Just prepare it. You gotta make that. We gotta make that. You gotta make inside. You gotta make that. Hold up, Dan. Hold up, Dan. Look. Hold up. Yeah, man. They got the CV Jack. He see coming out. He like, it's yours, but you want anything else? He like, I feel like that's the hardest shit in here. He like, goddamn, anything else?
Tell me put some neon lights in that motherfucker.
Hey, look at that, man.